In this video, I want to show you where is the brake fluid reservoir on your Honda CRV. So you're gonna go over here under the hood. This is your engine, this is your fuse box, and right over here, it's the reservoir you're looking for. Unscrew the cap, turn it counterclockwise. You're gonna have a gasket that you need to remove, and you're gonna fill it over here. I'll put links on Amazon towards the right fluid for your Honda CRV. So check my links in the description. Never overfill. You get a max line. I don't know if you see it, max. Okay, never go above this line. At the end, once you're done filling this up, place the cap back and make sure that up side is placed up. Okay, put the gasket and then the cap. The cap should click slightly at the end. Okay, so you're gonna put it and then turn it clockwise. It's not a very loud click, but you see, it's not moving anymore. I mean, it's not able to unscrew itself even if the car is vibrating. Thanks for watching. Again, check my Amazon links to get the fluid. You support my channel the same way. Leave a comment down below if it was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.